Whoa!
I'll get to that in a minute.
Yeah, look.
This is the whole of the skyline
Bang.
from Red's balcony.
Bang. That's crap. You know those orange things in the sky we've been seeing? They're glow lanterns.
No, the ones we saw were.
Well, they've been letting them off around here quite a lot.
I see an orange thing in the sky.
The rain is slapping.
That is.
What orange things?
Wow.
What orange things floating in the sky?
The big massive alien spaceship. Look, it's on your forehead. Did you nick one of Mum's lollipops?
No, I've got the end of my last one.
Wow.
Pass the pass.
Stick. Okay, so what orange floating things?
Can you tell them to hang on a minute because I need to stop and start again?